This time I will discuss several examples of interiors that are identical to the sophisticated tiny house on wheels. This is a tiny house that is quite sophisticated with soft wood elements and a great concept on the exterior facade of this tiny house. The interior of this tiny home is dominated by light wood on the walls and ceiling. However, there is one element that can balance the bright impression of this tiny home so that it is not monotonous. This element is a floor element with a dark wood texture like this. Apart from the window elements which provide well lit space, the skylight elements in this space help with natural lighting, especially in the loft bed area. On the ground floor, it tends to be open space and quite spacious with little furniture in the form of chairs, and there is a fur carpet which gives a soft impression. A room like this, in this interior, there is a little wall decoration in the form of a small shelf and an abstract painting to add to the artistic value of the room so that the room doesn't seem stiff. These are several examples of kitchen area that are identical to the basic concept of a tiny home. Having a kitchen layout like this gives a spatial relief to the room. Some example of kitchens, there are wall-mounted cabinets that accommodate the need for kitchen utensil and equipment to be more compact. Kitchen countertop and backsplash with marble material which gives an elegant and clean impression to a kitchen room like this. And the kitchen area has a few windows to allow for daylighting so that the room is well lit during the day. Some of these bathroom areas are also identical to the basic concept in that there are quite complete bathroom facilities including a bathtub, toilet, shower and sink equipped with a mirror with indirect light. The color of the ceiling is made to contrast with the color of dark wood bathroom for like this, creating a balance in the spatial composition and lighting of the bathroom. What do you think about this sophisticated tiny home interior design this time? And please write in the comment column below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel, and thank you for watching until the end guys, and just look forward to our video in the next content. Bye bye.